Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students and viewers. I am Sir Zafar from Tutor channel. You are watching today a new video on the topic of law of demand. In the last video, dear students, I have told you what is law of demand. In law of demand, I will like to explain once again a few points of that law I have already discussed in the last video. In the law of demand, you see that if the price goes upward, the demand for that good will go to downwards. Similarly, if the prices go downward, its demand will increase. So we may say that when the price are decreasing, demand will increase and vice versa. But students, you will see this is not happening all the time. This is not happening always. Sometimes we will see the opposite condition of that law. Even if the prices are going upward, we will see that the demand also goes to upward. What is the reason behind it? Students, there are some few reasons, there are some few factors, there are some elements that will affect our demand for that goods. The major factor to change our demand is price, but besides price, there are also some few factors that will change our demand, and these factors are known as assumptions of this law. What are these factors and elements? These are a few. Number one, fashion. Number two, weather. Number three, income, customer rights, festivals, income, population, and so many other goods also are there to affect the demand. But major factor to change the demand is price. Today we will not discuss the price only. We will discuss other goods other than price, the elements other than price that will change our demand. Number one, fashion. We see that when prices are going upwards, when the prices are going upward, the demand will decrease. But the fashion is the element that will disturb the law. Dear students, suppose you are going to a marriage ceremony. You will purchase a new dress for that ceremony, and I think the suit you are going to purchase is costly for rupees 5,000 only. 5,000 rupees. When you purchase this suit, surely this will look beautiful, this will look precious for you, and after wearing, after putting it on, you are going to attend the marriage. But when you enter the marriage lawn, everybody sitting in the marriage lawn start laughing at you. What is the reason behind it? You will be upset, and after asking the reason of their laughters, you are going to know that the suit you are wearing is so old fashioned that not my grandmother will like to put this suit on. And you are wearing this suit. This old fashioned suit has been the reason of your insult, has been the cause of your insult. You will leave the ceremony to be over, and you may go to home as soon as possible. And suppose after the attending the ceremony, you are returning to your home, and in your way home there is a market, and the suit you are wearing, exactly the same suit you are wearing, is hanging in the market at the shop, and the price of that suit you are wearing, and that was cost rupees 5,000, and this is now being sold at only 1,000 rupees. Students, a few days, 2 days ago, you have purchased this suit for 5,000, and now this is only for 1,000. Would you like to purchase this suit at this cost? No. Would you like to purchase this suit at this price? No one would like. What is the reason? The reason is that you don't like to be insulted again for this rupees or this rupees. You will not purchase. Law of demand says that when the price is lower, you should like to purchase, but now you are not going to purchase that good because this is old fashioned things now. So we have come to a result that When the prices are decreasing, surely we will increase our demand for that good. But the conditions that there should be the element of fashion. If the good you are going to purchase is out of fashion, you will not purchase whether this is costly or not costly. And if the good you are going to purchase is in fashion, you will surely purchase it. Maybe it may be the highest cost of price, but you will purchase it. Number two, weather. Weather is another element to affect our demand. We know in cold weathers we will purchase hot things, we will purchase accordingly. And in hot season, suppose in winter, we will like to purchase the goods accordingly. Weather is another factor to affect our demand. If the weather is favorable, our law will go accordingly as the law says. Our demand will go accordingly at the law says. But if the weather is not in favor of you, the demand will go on the other hand. Maybe the price increasing, demand will increase, and maybe if the price is decreasing, our demand also decrease. Number three, income of the consumer. Income of the consumer is another factor to affect the demand. When your income increases, you will not consider the prices of the goods, because there are so much money in your pocket and you will like to purchase these goods in the bulk quantity. Even the prices are going up. So this element also affects our law of demand. Similarly, there are some customs and rights in a society. We will consider the customs and rights of our society. We will not consider the law of demand all the time. Surely, we will consider the law of demand in the major part of our life season, but there are a few elements, there are a few customs, there are a few rights that will force us to ignore the law of demand and purchase that goods even at high prices. Suppose there is a marriage in your home. Suppose your younger brothers, your elder brothers' marriage is going to place the next week. And when the marriage is going to place next week, the prices of goods are going to high and high. Would you not like to purchase these goods at this ceremony? Surely we would like to purchase, because we would not like to be insulted. There will be so many gatherings, there will be so many guests in our home, and everybody expects to make the ceremony brighter one. Even the prices are going to up, we will purchase these goods. For example, food. The price of a chicken is only 200 rupees per kg, and you purchase 1 kg chicken daily. But the price, when the price goes up to 300, you will not purchase 1 kg daily. Maybe you will purchase half kg of the chicken daily. But if the prices are at 1000 rupees, but if the prices of the chicken goes to 1000 rupees, nobody will like to purchase the chicken at this highest cost, at this highest price. But when the price of the chicken is rupees 1000 per kg, at the same day a marriage in your home is going to take place, would you not like to purchase this chicken at this price? Surely we will purchase it, because this is our customs and our rights. We don't like to put a vegetable dish before our guests at the marriage. Surely we will purchase this chicken at this price. Why we are not going to purchase at this price? So custom and rights are another factor to affect our demand. Next one is there, the festival. The festival plays an important role for the demand of for the goods. When there is a festival, we will like to purchase the goods. But the prices, this is not our issue now. We will not concern the prices. We will take care of this festival. For example, there is a Eid, there is a Christmas, there is your birthday party. In these festivals, we will not take care of prices of the goods. We will take care of the festival. We will take care of the event. At this event, we will purchase the goods even at the highest prices. Number next, income of the consumer. When our income increases, we will purchase more and more goods. A poor man cannot purchase the goods at even lowest cost because he has no rupees. He has no currency in his pocket. But when your income increases, you will not take care of the prices of the goods. You will take care of your income. You know there is an income in your pocket. You know you have money. You know the power of purchase are increasing. So when the power to purchase increases, when the power of purchase of a consumer increases, he will purchase more and more goods. Even the prices of the goods may be higher. So besides price of the goods, there are other factors also to increase or decrease the demand for that good. And these factors are known as assumptions of the law of demand. These are known as conditions of law of demand. So in the law of demand, we will say that if prices increases, demand will decrease. And on the other hand, if price decreases, demand will increase, provided that there is no factors of fashion to affect. There should be no change in weather, there should be no change in fashion, there should be no change in income, there should be no customers or rights coming ahead in near future, and no festival is going to come, no festival is going to take place in near future, and income of the consumer also should be remained similar. There should be also no change in the income of the consumer. If these conditions are stationary, our law of demand will be effective, law of demand will be applicable, otherwise it will not be applicable. These factors will be affecting the law of demand. So dear students, this was our topic. I'm sure this topic will be helpful for you. Please stay with us. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that our new videos and latest videos will reach to your door. Thank you very much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.